If you want to get a 5% discount off of all your orders at SpeedCubeShop.com, make sure to use the discount code Antonie.
¡Sí! ¡Por fin! Vamos a ver. Después de casi 7 años, hermano.
¿Cuál es? 4.8. Chuca 5 campeón.
So for the reconstruction, I did red. I saw this edge was done, I saw this bar, and I saw this pair was done, so the scramble was pretty good, and I tried to preserve them both. And I sort of was tracking this pair at the same time, so I did the cross like this, and then to preserve these I did the U prime. Then I put this in to preserve this pair, and specifically this is how far I inspected. Then tracking these. And here I force an OLL skip, and then good end, 50 moves, and a bit over 10 CPS.